and shift our focus to what's happening in West Bengal. A high voltage second phase of polling in West Bengal ended with high voltage drama on Thursday night, with Chief Minister and TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee marching down to an EVM holding centre over allegations of vote manipulation. However, by the end of it, in fact, the late night drama over alleged EVM tampering at a Kolkata strong room ultimately turned out to be a false alarm. And leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari, we have learnt, is going to be visiting the Shekhawat counting centre at 5 o'clock this evening, followed by ECI office and then the Afraganj office. And in case you missed it, this is how it all really started. The EC first wrote a letter to all political parties on 29th of April, inviting them to observe the segregation of postal ballots at a strong room in Kolkata. They were requested to reach the strong room around 4 p.m. the next day. Then at 4:35 p.m. the next day, Mamata Banerjee put out a video on social media cautioning TMC counting agents, asking them to maintain a strict 24/7 vigil outside the strong rooms with replacements in place even for loo breaks. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Rajesh, can you explain to us what exactly is happening on the ground right now? Because clearly, TMC has got big plans this evening as well. But earlier, we also got to know that a notice has been issued. Security has been beefed up. There's a 200-meter restriction zone now in place. And, in fact, there is a prohibition on gathering of people more than 5.
Completely peaceful and under control. Additional CFF was deployed last night only, and today extra forces were brought from other camps, CRPF camp, and some more personnel from CRPF and CAPF have also been deployed over here to guard the strong room. And Kolkata police has also issued some letters asking the forces to deploy more security personnel around the all strong rooms in Kolkata. And Kolkata police has also instructed that more than 5 people will not be allowed around this strong room. And Kolkata police has also imposed a 200-meter restrictions where more than 5 people will not be allowed. Not only that, no meeting will be taking place over here. And Kolkata police has also banned carrying weapons and firecrackers around this strong room. Kolkata police have instructed Central Security Forces to deploy more security personnel so that these strong rooms can be kept secure, because we have seen the late night drama yesterday, how TMC leaders sat in dharna. They continued the sit in protest outside the strong room in Kolkata's Khudiram Anushilon Kendra, where TMC leader Kunal Ghosh and outgoing Minister Shashi Paja continued the dharna for more than 3 to 4 hours, following which clashes took place between TMC workers and BJP workers. And we have witnessed that both the parties chanted slogans against against them. And finally, Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, went out of her home and she directly went to another strong room where all the EVMs are kept, including her own Bhavanipur Assembly constituency. Then Mamata Banerjee was also at the same strong room where on the Lord Sinha Road. She was also there till late night, following which TMC is now making this issue. They are alleging that without their presence, all those ballot boxes were being opened without any intimation given to TMC. However, the Election Commission has completely denied all the allegations leveled by Trinamool Congress.
Right.
Election Commission has said that an email was sent to all political parties, including all the political agents and candidates regarding this opening of ballot boxes. And following which all the process began by the Election Commission after giving information
so
to
clearly
all those
concerns were raised last evening by Trinamool Congress. There was dharna also outside a strong room, and then a clarification came from the Election Commission also. And now, viewers, the latest, as Rajesh was also telling us, is that security has been beefed up across the strong rooms in Kolkata. Kolkata police have issued notices for 7 key locations. And now I also want to understand from you, Rajesh, what about this visit of Leader of Opposition Shubhendu Shubhendu Adhikari to Shekhawat Counting Centre at 5 o'clock. What can be expected at that time?
See, after Mamata Banerjee, now Shubhendu Adhikari is expected to reach over here at Shekhawat school, where all the EVMs of 7 assembly constituencies are kept over here in the strong room located on Lord Sinha Road. We are getting information from BJP sources that leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari will reach over here at around 5 o'clock, and after which Shubhendu Adhikari will visit the strong room and will brief the media. We have seen Mamata Banerjee was also at the same place last night when she got to know that some allegations are being raised from her own party that ballot boxes are being opened without the presence of Trinamool Congress representative, following which Mamata Banerjee also reached the same counting center strong room, and now Shubhendu Adhikari, exact opponent of Mamata Banerjee, who is contesting against Mamata Banerjee from Bhawanipur Assembly constituency, this Shubhendu Adhikari will be reaching over here at around 5 o'clock. After visiting the strong room, he will brief the media. Back to you.
What really happens at 5 o'clock this evening? Hridita, my colleague, is also joining us live right now. So Rajesh and Hridita, requesting both of you to please stay on with us. Let's quickly recap for our viewers what exactly has happened. Now, this is how it started, viewers. The EC wrote a letter to all political parties on 29th of April, inviting them to observe the segregation of postal ballots at a strong room in Kolkata. They were requested to come to the strong room at 4 p.m. the next day. 29th, the letter was written. They were asked to reach there by 4 o'clock on Thursday, 30th of April. Then at 4:35 the next day, 30th of April, Mamata Banerjee put out a video on social media cautioning TMC counting agents, asking them to maintain a strict 24/7 vigil outside strong rooms with replacements in place even for loo breaks. And then what we were told was something that happened. In fact, after EC wrote to all political parties, this particular post was a video message, in fact, was put out by Mamata Banerjee. Then at 8:31 in the evening, TMC flagged some kind of suspicious activity in Kolkata, and then TMC leaders were seen staging a dharna in front of a strong room. Listen in to what Mamata Banerjee said.
एजेंट को इतना अरेस्ट किया, इतना वन साइडेड हुआ, उसका बाद भी अगर ऐसा ईवीएम मशीन को लूट करने के लिए, अगर काउंटिंग लूट करने के लिए कोई कोशिश करे तो हम जिंदगी मत एक करके हम लड़ेंगे.
Let's go across to my colleague Hridita, who is also live with us right now. Hridita, now clearly a lot happened last evening, but TMC is maintaining that there is some kind of a foul play that is involved. So what is the plan of the TMC going forward, given the kind of notice that has now been issued by Kolkata Police?
Well, absolutely. As my colleague Rajesh was speaking about the issue of the letter that has been given by the Kolkata Police. Now, 7 strong rooms across Kolkata given to Shekhawat Memorial, St. Thomas Boys School, Khidirpur College, and also the Netaji Indoor Stadium. We see along with that more 3 other strong rooms have been given this notification where people of 5 more won't be allowed inside to make a gathering, and the other restrictions as follows. Also, we see that the Shubhendu Adhikari, leader of opposition, will be here at 5 p.m. and then he will go to the Election Commission office. After that, he will go to the Afraganj office. But at this meantime, while we spoke to Trinamool Congress from today morning, we have been seeing the Trinamool Congress candidates of the Beleghata and Champakur constituency. Both Kunal Ghosh and Shashi Paja was present in the Netaji Indoor Stadium. 50 meters away from that is the Khudiram Anushanal, where which is the strong room where yesterday protest had happened. So they had come today morning to check the CCTVs and check if any interruptions is happening. Also, a new notice that as Trinamool Congress candidate Shashi Paja has spoken to us about a new kind of card that needs to be now withdrawn from the counting centers out there for the people who will be sitting in supervision in the center. So those cards have also been picked up by the leaders. But again, we get to understand, as Kunal Ghosh speaks to Times Now, he told us that there is also an information that at around 5 p.m. today also there can be some other movements. Hence the party is taking precautions in that case, and otherwise of that there is complete vigilance in part of Trinamool Congress this time. On the other side, we also see the Bharatiya Janata Party's candidates and agents are also in vigilance in Netaji Indoor Stadium,
Right.
along with a heavy deployment of CAPF and
Right.
the state police. On the other side, we also see the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's voting constituency, which is the
Right.
Shekhawat Memorial. There also the 163 has been implied, and there is also a heavy deployment. Back
Right.
to you.
Ridhita, Rajesh, requesting both of you to stay on with us. Let's now listen in to what the TMC Netas had to say.
Now we are being told that identity cards would be issued and we need to submit some names, and only as per these cards they can enter up to the cameras. These are changing rules and it is against the existing norms. Yesterday there were two very glaring loopholes which we raised concerns about, that there should be more transparency, strong room where all the EVMs are there. The respective strong rooms may be sealed, but that room was opened and political party representatives were not there. If they were not there, why were they opened? And also the other one, that the postal ballots that they were doing there, postal ballots, those pink envelopes of which were cast on 27th for the second phase, those were being handled by officials, but none of the political party representatives were there. And don't you think that's serious?
No, because our leader Mamata Banerjee, an instruction for Mamata Banerjee that every candidate and every agents and our workers, they have to monitor the process. And now what they done yesterday, so we apprehend anything may happen anytime. We are confident about our win. Mamata Banerjee is going to win the election with huge majority, but this monitoring is very much necessary. And ये आप देखिए फोर्ट बना दिया है, अभी पूरा फोर्ट बना दिया. लेकिन ऐसा है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन तो पूरा भाजपा के लिए कम कर रहा है, तो बाहर में फोर्ट है लेकिन अंदर में इसी का जो पब्लिक है, जो आदमी है, वो तो भाजपा का तरफ ही कम करेंगे, भाजपा के लिए कम करेंगे. इसीलिए हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा मॉनिटरिंग, काल जो सीसीटीवी का काल जो स्क्रीन में मूवमेंट था, स्पेसिफिकली हम वो देखने आए थे, वो मूवमेंट किस जगह पे है.
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.